three test tubes labeled as A, B and C. Take 3 clean iron nails and put one each test tube. In test tube A is half filled with water. This nail is contact with air and water also. Next, test tube B is filled with pure boiled distilled water. To complete, submerge the nails and a little amount of oil is poured to form a layer of oil to prevent air from entering. Anhydrous calcium chloride is put in test tube C to absorb the moisture. So this test tube has dry air only. So rusting takes place in nails in the test tube A only because both water and air is available for this nail. So test tube B has air not available because of this oil layer. Water is available here to this nail. So air and water, moisture, both are necessary conditions for rusting to take place. Now observe the test tube C. Water is not available because dry air is there. Anhydrous calcium chloride is there. So watch this and read. How to prevent corrosion? So painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing, chrome plating, alloying. These are the prevention methods. Thank you for watching this video.